welcome back. Today we're making a forging press. So here are the plates we have. Now I need to make a frame for this because I want to make sure this is portable, and I have this overbuilt stand that the forge and my hammers and stuff set on. So we are actually going to use this. So I need to take everything off of here. Everything is cleared off of this. What we are going to do is disassemble this completely. That way we can take a list of the length materials we have to make this.
We have these clamped up. We're working on the side that my hand is on right here, my left side. We do have a 1 foot clamped bar at the top, about 30 inches from the base. We will cut this off after everything is put on. So we want to make sure our tube is at a 90. We have some 90-degree magnets down there. And we want to make sure that these are going to be the same distance because we move them back and forth. We want to make sure that that foot is going to be in the center. That way the front and back line up. We have an angle finder. So we just take our angle here, go to the other side, and you want that to be fairly close. In this instance, it's 0.1 degree off, and that is close enough. We went ahead and got this cleaned up. It is ready to be welded. We went ahead and rounded the corner. Let's just make it look a little bit better. We're gonna go ahead and start welding this thing up. First things first, we need to make sure we have it flush everywhere we can. Let's go ahead and take a minute and go over the components that we made. We went ahead and welded this together, but we have our guide assembly, and the hydraulic cylinder will set in here. This is going to be the die plate, and then the assembly, we want a little bit of play in it, which we went ahead and fit that up. So this is good to go. The hydraulic cylinder will connect to the top of the press with this piece. We went ahead and cut it down a little bit, and it had to take a little material to fit. This is the lower die plate that will be welded on last once everything else is put together. And it will just go like this, both sides, and that will give us a strong connection. So let's go ahead and get this welded up to our I-beam, then we can go ahead and put the I-beam onto our stand. since the last time that you've seen this project, we have cut down our die plates. I opted for a 4-inch die plate and I did a 4x4 so we can use square dies and rotate them to make less dies. We went ahead and took these supports here, welded them. We did use this top die as a way to get these aligned to the top die. We want to make sure that those are properly aligned, that way we get even pressure. So let's go ahead and weld this on, and then we can go ahead and weld the angle iron on for the die spot. And then other than a quick repaint of this area, the press itself's done, and then we will jump in to doing the dies. We learned a lot during this project. And one of the things we learned is while using the press, we have too much side-to-side motion. And that's no good. But luckily, it's a fairly simple fix. We have a small plate here that we will replace and tighten up this side-to-side motion. And since we're doing that, that will also tighten up the front and back because we're going to use the exact same thickness. So it should be a nice, smooth fit. I hope you all liked this video and I hope you learned something. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.